So I have the basic composition that I want to use for this drawing, and nothing too detailed, but just sort of the gist of what I want to go for, and just a couple notes of key things that I want to keep in mind when designing the actual design. The back of the card will just be one big illustration with a bunny holding a key saying we moved, and I'd like to take you with me as I work on that. So first I need to figure out just how big a postcard size will be for printing. Oh geez, I didn't know there were so many postcard options. Okay, it looks like one of the standard sizes is just 4x6. I have some watercolor paper in 5x7, and even though these are going to be 4x6, I think it'd be a little better to make a drawing that's slightly bigger than what the printing is going to be, so I can shrink it down a bit and maintain resolution. So I'm going to start just sort of getting the gist of where things are on paper. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. So I'm sort of compiling this image idea from 3 other images. I'm sort of grabbing the idea of what some of the paws might be doing, sort of what the body might be doing, sort of how the face might look. I got a handful of new brushes. I have not opened them yet. They're from Treacle? They're from Treacle Art Supplies. I kind of want to use the quill mop, so we'll try that out first. I'm gonna do just sort of a neutral, like peachy kind of tone. Gonna mix some of, I should label these colors so it's easier for me to tell you what they are. All right, let's do this thing. Go just a little bit pinkish first to fill out some of these spots, to add some warmth before I go cool. So what I have right now is very soft, and I want to add something that gives it a little more pop, but I don't want it to be too dramatic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix slightly deeper cooler brown, and I'm going to drop in some purple into it as I go. I get close to the end, if I like what's happening, that's when the anxiety kicks in. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going by mixing a little bit of that blue I was using over here with that purple, and then I'm gonna take a hint of this brown. White ink to add some highlights that are missing. It smells funny. It smells like glue. I got this nice little guy. He's so tiny. He's so small. I think that's gonna work. Thank you everybody for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are interested in more like this, and let me know in the comments below if there was anything I didn't discuss that you'd like to hear more about, or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to start a conversation. So I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.